Bro, let me tell you about this guy I know. Let's call him Ryan. Solid dude, 29, meets an amazing girl. Things get serious fast. She's killing it in her career, pulling bigger paychecks than him. First it's cool, he's proud of her. But then the quiet thoughts start creeping in. She's paying more on dates. She's covering trips. I'm supposed to be the provider. Imagine feeling like less of a man just because your girl earns more. That shame hits deep. Ryan let it build until it almost wrecked everything. If you've ever felt that sting, even a little, this story's gonna hit home. Stick with me because how he turned it around is real. Ryan meets Mia at a friend's barbecue. Smart, funny, ambitious, total vibe. She's in marketing, climbing fast. He's in sales, steady but not exploding. Early dates are perfect. Dinners, weekends away, laughing till late. She insists on splitting bills sometimes. Says, we're a team. Ryan's cool with it on the surface. Bro, you know that feeling when everything's new and you're just happy to be there? That was them. But little comments start landing weird. She mentions her bonus. He smiles but inside thinks, damn, that's more than my raise. She pays for a concert ticket as a treat. He says thanks, but feels off. Imagine your girl casually covering stuff and you're secretly stressing about it. That's where Ryan was heading. Friends joke she's the breadwinner now and laugh, but he forces a chuckle while it stings. Ever had someone say something light but it hits a sore spot? We all have those triggers. He starts overcompensating, insisting on paying everything, even when it stretches him. Tells himself real men provide. Mia notices he's quieter about money talk, asks if everything's okay. He brushes it off. All good. Classic guy move, right? Bottling it up instead of talking. Relationship hits a year, moving and talk starts. Mia's saving fast, talking investments, future house. Ryan's doing okay, but not at her level. Bro, imagine your girl casually dropping, I could cover the down payment. And you feeling punched in the gut. That's Ryan every time. He starts pulling back on plans that cost money.
Hey, it's me.
Making excuses not to travel. Inside he's spiraling. She deserves better. I'm holding her back. You ever compared your bank account to someone close and felt small? Ryan was doing it daily. Friends' weddings come up. She offers to help with gifts. He snaps, I got it, and puts it on credit instead of admitting he's tight. Debt creeping, stress rising. Ever let pride push you into dumb money moves? We've all been there. Dating friends ask, who pays more? He lies, we split. Can't admit the truth even to the boys. The shame turns physical, trouble sleeping, snapping over nothing, confidence dipping at work too. Mia senses something's off. Asks straight, are you okay with me earning more? He says, yeah, but it's eating him alive. Then it explodes. They're planning a big trip. Mia says, I can cover most of it as my bonus treat. Ryan loses it. I don't need you paying for me. Bro, imagine saying that to someone you love because your ego's bruised. That fight was ugly. She's confused, hurt. I thought we were partners. He storms out, spends the night driving, feeling like total shit. Texts me at 3 a.m. Man, I feel like less of a man because she makes more. How messed up is that? Hearing it out loud broke him open. Admitted the shame had been poisoning everything. Sex life down, arguments up, pulling away emotionally. You know that quiet resentment when money flips traditional roles? Ryan was drowning in it. Almost broke up over it. She thought he was losing interest, he was just ashamed. Ever let unspoken money stuff nearly end something good? That was their rock bottom. He finally spills everything to her. Tears, all of it. She listens, says,
everything's going to be
I love
okay.
you, not your paycheck. But the damage was real. That fight was the wake-up Ryan needed. Sat down alone, asked himself hard questions. Why do I tie my worth to earning more? Where'd I even get that idea? Bro, imagine facing those demons head-on. That's when change starts. He realized society, family, social media, all fed him man provides since forever. But Mia earning more didn't make him less. It just triggered old bullshit beliefs. You ever unpack where your money shame comes from? Ryan did, and it freed him up big. Talked to a couple older guys who'd been through it. One buddy said his wife always earned more and they're happier for it. Perspective shift. Started therapy app. Read some books on modern masculinity. Sounds soft, but it worked. Redefined providing as emotional support, partnership, not just dollars. Ever felt lighter after dropping a belief that wasn't even yours? That was Ryan. Money side. Got honest with Mia about budget, started side hustle together even.
Honey,
Team
look at these
vibe
expenses. We need to adjust
With the
our
mindset
budget.
shifting, Ryan didn't just talk, he got practical, bro. First thing, sat down with Mia for a full money talk. Laid it all out, his income, debt, fears. Imagine finally saying the stuff out loud and her not judging. That relief was huge. They built a shared spreadsheet. Joint goals, fund, emergency stash. She covered more on trips at first. He picked up groceries, no scorekeeping, just team. You know that weight lifting when money stops being taboo? Their vibe got closer instantly. Ryan ramped the side hustle. Freelance sales, consulting weekends, pulling steady $1,000 extra. Not to beat her, just to feel solid. Banked half, spent half on dates he planned. Ever turned extra cash into confidence without the ego trip? That's what it did for him. He cut dumb leaks, subscriptions, eating out solo, impulse buys. Freed up another $300 per month straight to savings. Investments started small. Index funds, Roth contributions maxed. Dating friends now, he's open. She kills it career-wise, I'm building mine. No defensiveness, just facts. Boys respect it more than the old fronting. Intimacy came roaring back. No resentment hanging over the bedroom.
Long day at the money
Arguments
market, honey.
dropped because money wasn't the silent third wheel anymore. He even started mentoring a younger buddy, feeling the same pressure. Paying the lesson forward felt good. Bro, imagine going from shame to straight pride in your relationship. That's Ryan now. Secure in who he is, paycheck or not. They're planning engagement, talking house, both contributing what they can. Partnership, not competition. The practical stuff wasn't sexy. Spreadsheets, side gigs, honest talks. But it rebuilt everything stronger. If money rolls are messing with your head, start small. Have the talk this week, track one leak, add one income stream. Real change starts there. Ryan's proof it works. Now Ryan and Mia are stronger than ever. 2 years in, talking engagement, building real wealth as a team. He's pulling solid money with the side hustle. She's crushing her career, but it's partnership, not a scoreboard. Bro, imagine looking at your girl's success and feeling genuine pride instead of threat. That's their daily vibe. He's confident hosting friends, planning trips, living without that old shame weight. Intimacy's fire, arguments rare, future talks exciting. Biggest win, Ryan knows his worth isn't tied to out-earning anyone. Provides love, support, presence. That's real manhood today. If money rolls ever made you feel less, know you're not alone. And it doesn't have to stay that way. Talk it out, redefine success for you. Build your own bag at your pace. Ryan came out unbreakable. You can too, start this week. Have the honest talk, track one win, drop the old beliefs. If this hit deep, drop a fire below. Tell me what part got you. I read every comment. And if you want more raw stories like this, real struggles, real fixes, no fluff, smash subscribe and hit the bell. New ones every week. We're in this together, man. You got this.